Hi kabahay! So, andito tayo ngayon at PF West Executive Village located lamang here at Parañaque City. So, itong property na nasa likod ko is available at 35 million. So, meron itong lot area na 204 square meters and floor area of 320 square meters. Meron ka ng 5 bedrooms, 4 toilet and bath, and 3 carport. So, meron din itong driver's area and maids area. So, tara, check natin ang ating property. So before we enter mga kabahay sa ating property, please appreciate our landscape here at the frontage area. So meron tayo ditong porch area and then ito naman po ang ating parking area. So as you can see, mataas po ang height limit ng ating fence and gate. So ito po is also included sa ating turnover. Tara kabahay, check natin ang ating property. So upon entering mga kabahay, meron tayo ditong non-skid na flooring. So made of tiles ito. So elevated po ang ating access papunta sa main door. So as you can see, single detached po ang ating property. Meron tayong landscape area on the right side. On this side naman po is the parking area. So as I have said po earlier, the parking area po can fit up to 3 cars. So ito po, nakikita nyo elevated tong area na to. So ito po ang driver's quarters. Tara, check natin ang ating setback here. So mga kabahay, ito yung access natin papunta sa ating driver's quarters. So ito po yung another space for parking. So ito po kasya dito SUV size. Meron tayo ditong steps papunta naman po dito sa ating service area and the maid's room. So sa maid's room natin mga kabahay, meron tayong own toilet and bath. Enough lang po dito ang single size na bed and then ito po ang ating own toilet and bath dito sa maid's quarters. Tara dito naman tayo mga kabay sa ating garden area. So ito yung right side ng ating property. So ito po, makikita nyo, meron tayong mga steps dito and naka-landscape na po itong ating area na to. May access po ito papunta dito sa ating lanay area. Hi mga kabay! So, andito tayo ngayon sa ating driver's quarters. So, as you can see, enough lang po dito ang single size bed. Pero ang kagandahan dito, meron tayong sariling toilet and bath dito sa driver's quarters. Tara kabahay, pasukin na natin ang ating property. So, from the porch area, ito na po ang main door natin. This is made from solid wood. Meron tayo ditong smart lock na included upon turnover. And of course, kung makikita nyo, high ceiling po ang ating living area. Ito naman pong side natin ay merong mga awning window for natural lighting and proper ventilation. So dito sa living area mga kabahay, may provision na dito for your flat screen TV. And of course, meron na rin ditong mga installed na split type aircon. So this is the dining area mga kabahay. So actually, it can fit up to 8 to 10 seaters na dining table. Ang good thing dito, makikita nyo, napakalaki ng ating sliding window. Meron tayo ditong sliding door na access going to the lanay area. So ito naman mga kabayan ang ating kitchen area. So as you can see, napakalaki ng ating kitchen area. So sa mga mahilig magluto dyan, perfect itong area na to para sa inyo. Meron tayong kitchen countertop dito sa side. And of course, meron na rin tayong mga built-in cabinets. Meron na tayong ready dito na oven. On this area naman will be the kitchen sink. And then of course, kasama pa rin itong ating gas range and range hood upon turnover. Let's check the ground floor toilet and bath. So as you can see, ang ating pong ground floor toilet and bath is pababa. So meron tayo ditong shower enclosure na included, may toilet seat dito, and then the lavatory area. Ang good thing pa dito sa ating toilet and bath mga kabahay is may access ito going to the bedroom number 1 sa ground floor. Tara, check naman natin ang ating ground floor bedroom. So ito po ay may malaking space. As you can see, napakalawag po dito. May mga provisional outlet kung gusto nyo maglagay ng television. Meron na rin pong included na split type aircon. And as I have said earlier, meron po tayo dito ang access going to the toilet and bath. So kung meron kayong senior citizen or kung gusto nyo, pwede itong gamitin as guest room. Check na natin mga kabayan ang ating second floor. So ang staircase natin is made of concrete and wood. Meron tayong tempered glass and combination of wood dito sa ating railings. As you can see, ang height ceiling natin is sobrang taas. Pasok na pasok ang natural light natin dahil sa fixed windows. Tara, check na natin ang ating second floor. So meron itong total of 4 bedrooms. By the way mga kabahay, nakalimutan ko dahil makikita nyo may mga highlights tayo dito on the wall of the staircase para magsilbing guide kapag madilim. Let's check bedroom number 1 here at the second floor, mga kabahay. So as you can see dito sa ating bedroom number 1 sa second floor, maluwag po ang space. So kasyang-kasya dito up to queen size bed. Meron tayo dito awning window. And of course, ang good thing dito sa bedroom number 1, may own toilet and bath. Siyempre, hindi rin mawawala ang ating vanity area and built-in cabinets. Let's check bedroom number 1's own toilet and bath. Bedroom number 2 sa second floor. So dito sa ating bedroom number 2, mga kabahay, may provision tayo dito for television and of course, may floor to ceiling height tayo dito na built-in cabinets. As you can see, kasyang-kasya dito ang queen size bed. Meron tayong malaking sliding window for natural light and proper ventilation. Pero ang good thing dito, meron na rin itong split type aircon na included upon turnover at may access ito going to that toilet and bath. So ito pong ating toilet and bath sa ating bedroom number 2 and 3 is shared. So ito po yung tinatawag na Jack and Jill type. So meron tayo ditong toilet seat, may shower enclosure, and of course, the lavatory area. Bedroom number 3, mga kabahay. So dito sa bedroom number 3 na ang difference po nito from bedroom number 2 is medyo malito ng konti, pero meron pa rin itong shared toilet and bath access dito. And then of course, included pa rin ang ating split type aircon. Meron tayong awning window. And then on this side naman po, meron tayong vanity area or entertainment area. Of course, the floor to ceiling na built-in. Finally, kabahay, we're now here at the master's bedroom. So as you can see sa master's bedroom, sobrang spacious nito. Kasyang-kasya up to king size bed. Meron tayong ditong provision for your television and entertainment showcase. And then of course, may access tayo to the balcony. And moving here, syempre makikita nyo ang malaking space natin for the bed frame. And meron na rin tayong included na split type aircon. Master's toilet and bath. So dito sa master's toilet and bath, tara sa balcony area, mga kabahay. So dito sa balcony area natin, mga kabahay, makikita nyo meron tayo ditong tempered glass na railings and then meron tayong non-skid na tiles for the flooring. So again, mga kabahay, kung ikaw interested to view this property, magre-recap lang tayo dahil ito nga palang property natin is located at BF West Executive Village here in Parañaque City. So meron itong lot area ng 204 square meters and floor area of 320 square meters. Meron itong 5 bedrooms, 4 toilet and bath, and 3 carport. And then meron din tayo ditong separate na maid's room and driver's quarters with own toilet and bath. So kung ikaw ay interested to view this property, please do not hesitate to send us a message at 0916-518-4710. This is Bon Tapawan of Exosia Properties, your PRC, and this is the accredited salesperson. Thank you for watching, kabahay!